One of the cool things about luggage robots is they're omnidirectional. So it can travel sideways in addition to forward, and it can turn in place. And of course, the robot's a little bit of a show-off. It does some dynamic tasks, and even more dynamic tasks. Someone was asking about 2 legs. So let me tell you a little bit about SpotMini. It's got a set of stereo cameras here. And if you look up on the screen, you can see what the robot sees. And if we switch into another mode, it'll show you what the robot's thinking. So here's a model of the world. You can see the edge of the stage, which it's using its stereo to generate. And it also shows itself in the world, so it knows if it were to walk that way, it would fall off the stage, and it's not going to do that. It's also got another sensor back here, a LiDAR, a laser ranger. And here's the view from the laser ranger, and you can see the whole stage. We put those posts up there so it can navigate. Now we're going to show you a simulated security patrol. So Seth's going to switch it into a different mode, where the robot is working completely on its own. I have to get out of the way. So Seth isn't driving anymore. This is autonomous navigation. And we programmed it to go over in this corner and check for something that shouldn't be there. So it doesn't actually have a sensor in the hand, but if it did, it would be looking and checking to make sure that no one had put anything there. Then it's going to go around. I think, Marcy, you may have to back up a little bit, because otherwise it's all right. We don't have it detecting people yet, but it will detect this step and go over it, we hope. So it used its stereo vision system to detect the step. Now Alex is going to convert the step into an obstacle that he can't climb over. Again, I have to get out of the way. So when it does this, it's using its LiDAR to localize itself on the stage. Again, we've given it a path to go on, so it knows how to get everywhere. There's no GPS in here, so it has to do it all with these other kinds of sensors. And it's just going to do 2 laps. You can imagine it out in a shopping center, or a factory, or a warehouse doing security. So the stereo camera saw that obstacle, and it planned the path around it. So another feature of SpotMini is it has an arm. And we've made this a very smart arm, so that when you program the arm, you're telling the hand what to do. You don't really want to think in terms of what the joints are. You want to tell the hand what to do. So there, Seth is just telling the hand to reorient, or to travel left and right, or open up and down. We've also programmed coordination so that the body can move, but the hand stays stable. And our bodies are like that. I can program my hand and move my body around. And that means when I'm doing the manipulation task, I can think about the task, not about my body. I'm feeling a little thirsty. Could you get me that soda over there? So for this task, there is a camera in the hand. And when the robot gets close, it scans, finds the can, grasps it automatically, and then Seth will bring it over here so I can have a drink. Thank you, Spot, and thank all of you for listening. Fantastic. Thank you. Fantastic. Mark, we're going to change the world together. I'm looking forward to it. We're going to put lots of administrative things. Good. Thank you.